our dream was born out of catastrophe, an event that reminded us that it may take time for the cavalry to come. But what if we could get there faster? What if we could bring health care to you? What if we could save more lives?
HiRO Telemedicine is about providing people with the technology and the medical support to save lives. HiRO integrates unmanned drone systems, augmented reality, and predictive analytics to give you the guidance necessary to help your neighbor in time of need.
We became DOs to provide compassionate care for our communities, and we have taken that one step further by designing a system that puts hope in your hands. Great ideas do not always come from Silicon Valley. They can arise from a back porch in Mississippi. Crisis is a time of feeling helpless, and HiRO is about empowering you.